Assalamu alaikum students. Myself Sabah Rizvi. As we were learning transformation of sentences, as I have already taught you all exercise 1 and exercise 2, that is rewrite the sentences from adverb to remove to, and from remove to adverb to. Now today I will teach you all transformation of sentences from assertive to interrogative. That is your exercise 5. Transform the following into interrogative. Now, the first sentence. He can read in the darkness also. As in 11th also I have told you all that we have to change the sentences without changing its meaning. Means from assertive to interrogative, we have to transform the sentences from assertive to interrogative, but the meaning should not be changed. So what we have to do, we have to change the sentences and we have not changed the meaning. So what we'll do? Now see the first sentence attentively. He can read in the darkness also. Now transform the following into interrogative. Now attentively see the first sentence. He can read in the darkness also. So we have to change into interrogative. What is interrogative? Interrogative means the question sentences. Okay. If there is helping verb, then we have to put the helping verb in front. Can he not read in the darkness also, and we have to put question mark also. Okay. Now why we have written not? Because we have to not change the meaning. If the sentence is affirmative, then you all will make it negative, and if the sentence is negative, you all will make it affirmative. In that case, your sentence meaning will be the same. The meaning will not change. Now see, he can read in the darkness also. Can he not? Your sentence is affirmative. That's why we have written not. Can he not read in the darkness also? I have put in a question mark also. Okay. This is the simple sentence. And if there is no helping verb, then you all have to see that do, does and did form. That you all know very well. You all have been taught in 9th class also. That you all know very well. So if there is no helping verb, you all will use that do, does and don't. Okay. Now see the second sentence. None can touch the sky. Now first you all have to see the sentence is affirmative or negative. None. So your sentence is negative. When the sentence is negative, you all have to make it affirmative, and you all have to transform it into interrogative. So when the sentence is none, I have written both the rules. When the sentence is starts with none, or when it starts with everybody. Now see the difference between the two sentences. Second sentence, none can touch the sky. The sentence is negative. And see the third sentence, everybody wants to sleep in the night. Now this sentence is affirmative. Now slightly there is a change between the two sentences, and your sentence will be transformed into interrogative. The sentence which starts with none or everybody, we have to use who. Clear? I hope it is clear to you. None can touch the sky or everybody. When the sentence is none or nobody also, it can also be nobody or everyone, that is the same. None can touch the sky. So the sentence which starts with none or everybody, you all have to use who. Okay, that is clear to you. Now see further. None can touch the sky. The sentence is negative, so we have to make it affirmative. So we will not write not. The none sentence is very easy. In the place of none, you all have to write only who, and the rest all will be the same, and your sentence will be transformed into interrogative. There is one more rule also. If you all are not using who, you all can write as it was up. Can, putting the helping verb front. Can and no one, in place of no we will write anyone. Clear? Now see the third sentence. Everybody wants to sleep in the night. We have to start it with who. But the sentence is affirmative, so we have to make it negative. So here there is no helping verb. Here it is written wants. So what we will use? Do, does or did. So in wants we will write does. So to make it negative we will write does not. Who does not want to sleep in the night? And we have to write question mark also. Okay, it is a must because your sentence is interrogative, so you all have to write question mark also. Don't forget to write question mark, otherwise your marks will be cut. Okay, now I hope these three rules are clear to you all. Helping verb, putting helping verb in front. None and everybody. In none and everybody you all have to start the sentence with who, and if the sentence is negative you all have to make it affirmative, and if the sentence is affirmative you all have to make it negative. Now come to the exercise. Now exercise 5, transform the following into interrogative. Now you all have to do all the 14 sentences in your notebook, as you all have already made your notebook. In that notebook, grammar notebook, you all have to do this exercise 5. All 14 sentences all have to do, because I have explained all the rules. All the 3 rules are there. But if there is any problem, you all can ask me. Okay. Now enough for today. Have a nice day. Thank you.